Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing part 3, the clicking simulator tutorial, and I made the tutorial but my video got corrupted, so I'm just gonna have to do it all again. In this video we are going to make it so if you click this button it will put up the value inside the player for the button. And another thing that we may be able to do later on in the series is we may be able to at some point add in a ×2 clicks game pass. That's an optional thing. Anyways, let's look over the game so far. So we have inside script service our script with our clicks values and our player added event, and we have our map that we got from the toolbar. Don't use anything else because I had no clue if they have viruses in. I know this one doesn't because I've spent ages searching it just for the sake of this video. Okay, so another thing is we have the menu GUI and everything. Something else that you could do actually is if you add a local, in the player added event, say game.starterGUI dot oopsie daisy no menu GUI dot frame dot visible equals true. So now you can have it not visible for when you are that. So now when we join the game, it should be visible. And boom. Oopsie daisy. Another thing we probably should do is that we probably should make these invisible for now. Well, not for, we won't do it right now, but this is just stuff that we'll have to add to the scripts after. Okay then. So now, what we need to do is we need to set a mouse button one click event in a local script. So we'd like to go to our low here, and in this image button, let's add a local script. So we'd like to say local image clicker equals script.parent. We need to say image clicker dot mouse button one click connect function just with brackets, and make sure connect is with a capital C or it will not work. So now we'd like to click enter. Now we'd like to say above this, let's say local player equals game.players.local player. Okay, now we can say player, oopsies, now to say local clicks equals player find first, actually no, we won't say that. It'll obviously be there and it won't error, so we'll say player.clicks. Now I'd like to say clicks.value equals clicks.value plus 1. So now then, let's go into the game and we can click play, and now if we go and look in my player, see the clicks, so whenever I click this, the value is going up. So now another thing we do need to script is we need to make these GUIs visible when we join the game. So then what we'll do is in starter, in this game loading script, we will say, you know what, let's reference starter GUI local starter GUI equals game.starterGUI. That's correct, isn't it? Well, I don't think that'll work. You have to say : get service starter GUI. You know why we're doing that? Because it's a service on the server. Because it's just a service. Okay then, so now we can say starter GUI dot low, oopsie daisy, dot low, oopsie daisy dot main dot low, oopsie daisy, it's capital, dot low dot visible equals obviously false. So now I'm going to say starter GUI dot main dot top dot visible equals false. Okay then, so now when we join the game, oops, we spelled visible wrong. Oopsie, oops. Wait a minute. Have I? Yeah. God, I'm probably being really stupid and spelling it wrong. Yeah, visible is definitely right. Although I could just, it could be wrong and I'm just not seeing it. Intend to until visible. Until, hang on, what line is this? Line at 6. So it won't indel nil. It can't indel. It says it's a nil. It's nil. JavaScript service attempt to index nil with visible. No. That was meant to be main, not name. That's probably why. Okay, so now these are invisible. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna if we click the play button, those click other things will come visible. So now then we're going to go back into the menu GUI. Now we'll say scripts.parent, which is obviously inside the menu. So we'd have to say script.parent. So now we're looking inside menu GUI. So now we need to say dot parent again. So now we've said script.parent. It's now it now thinks it's started GUI. So now we can say main. No, let's make that a local main equals. Okay, so now we know that. So now we can say top main dot top dot visible equals true. So now we need to make the low visible. Main dot low dot visible equals true. Okay then, so let's see if that worked. I'm pretty sure it has to. And when we click it, boom. As you can see, they are here. And as you can see, they are now here. And the value is going up inside the player. As you can see, that all seems to be working. You can grind into this game a little bit. We may add data stores, but I'm not planning to. But we may add data stores just because I think adding data stores could possibly be a good idea. And well then, that is going to be it for this tutorial, I think. And I hope you guys are all doing good. And see you all later then. Goodbye.